Let me show you how you can read Korean in just 90 seconds. First, I want you to know, in Korean, there are 14 basic consonants and 10 basic vowels. If you combine a consonant and a vowel, they make words. This time, let's attach this vowel to the consonant. This vowel is pronounced as if you saw something gross and you go ooh. Since this is a horizontal vowel, we're gonna put it on the bottom of each consonant. Let's start with the first consonant. G, g, n, n, d, d, r, m, m. Say it with me. B, b, s, s. Silent. So we're gonna just pronounce the vowel j, j, ch, ch, k, k, t, t, p, p. Lastly, h, h. Many of my students learned so much from this book, and I hope this helps you master the Korean alphabet. You got this!